In this video, I'll explain you about making a mini computer using Raspberry Pi. See, we have a Raspberry Pi board and we have a display which has HDMI support, HDMI port support, and we have a adapter. If you have a USB-C connector, you can use it directly. If you don't have a USB-C connector, you have to buy an adapter for this, and you need a minimal SD card of at least 16 GB and a card writer, and you can have you can have mouse and keypad. If you want, you can have a portable power bank. I'll explain you how to build this system. Take out this. Now connect. Connect this. Usually this comes close to this port and this charger, and this port comes close to this, so you can see this. This one is HDMI micro connector, so you need a HDMI connector to micro converter, HDMI micro converter. Connect the power. Here you have a switch. This comes with the switch. Connect the mouse. Connect the keypad. We need to write the Raspbian OS into this. I'll show you how to do that. Connect the SD card. Download this option, Raspbian Buster with desktop. Light is only command line option available, so use this. Insert the SD card. Now power on the thing. This is giving the power.